In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect bank feeds in QuickBooks Online. This process is essential for streamlining your bookkeeping by automatically importing transactions from your bank into QuickBooks. It's a fantastic way to save time and reduce manual entry errors. So let's dive in and get those bank feeds set up. To begin, you'll first want to sign into your QuickBooks account. Open up your preferred web browser and make your way over to QuickBooks Online. Once you're at the QuickBooks login page, go ahead and click on the Sign In button. You'll see it displayed prominently. If this is your first time logging in, make sure you have your credentials handy. Now, after clicking Sign In, you'll be prompted to choose QuickBooks Online from the available options. Selecting this ensures you're accessing the right platform for your business finance needs. Next up is time to enter your credentials. This would typically be your email and password associated with your QuickBooks account. Fill these in and then click Continue to proceed. This step is crucial for ensuring quick and secure access to your account information. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Bank Transactions tab. You'll find this tab by looking at the menu options available to you on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Click on it and you'll be taken to a new page dedicated to managing your bank transactions. Now focus your attention on the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Link Account. Go ahead and click on it. This action will initiate the process of connecting your bank accounts to QuickBooks Online, which is the primary focus of this tutorial today. After clicking Link Account, you will need to select your specific bank or credit card account from the list provided. You may notice that some popular banks are already listed for quick selection, but you can also search for your bank using the search bar if it isn't immediately visible. Select your bank and you will be prompted to enter your credit card or bank login details. Don't worry, QuickBooks employs secure connections to ensure your information remains protected. Once you have input your login details, you'll need to follow any additional prompts to verify your login. This often involves answering security questions or receiving a confirmation code via email or text. Complete these steps as directed by your bank, and there you have it. If everything went smoothly, you've successfully linked your bank or credit card account to QuickBooks Online. Your transactions should now start syncing automatically, leading to more accurate bookkeeping and less manual entry. This setup significantly streamlines financial management and provides a more unified view of your business finances. Thanks for watching and happy accounting!